Chapter 6. Plant Life. Introduction. Root and shoot are two main parts of a plant. Each part of plant perform a specific function. In this chapter you will study about different parts of the plant and their functions. Root and shoot are two main parts of a plant. The part of the plant that grows under the ground is called the root. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot. The shoot has the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Parts of plant. Roots. Roots are the plants of the plant that grow underground. They take water and minerals from the soil. Roots are of two types. Tap roots. Some plants have one main root with many smaller branch roots. Such roots are called the tap roots. Plants like mango, neem, bean, radish and rose have tap roots. 2. Fibrous roots. A number of roots that grow at the end of a stem are called fibrous roots, for example, corn, wheat and rice. Stem. Stem is the strongest part of the shoot. It keeps the plant upright. From the stem, branches are grown and these bear leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Stem transports water and minerals sucked from the roots to the leaves. It also brings back food from the leaves and carries it to other parts of the plant. Stems may be thick and strong or thin and weak. Look at the morning glory plant. It cannot stand erect because it has a weak stem. On the other hand, a sunflower plant can stand erect because it has a strong stem. Leaves. Leaves are the important part of plant. These are known as the food factory of the plant as they prepare food for plant. Leaves grow on branches. Green leaves in the presence of sunlight change water and carbon dioxide into food. The prepared food is called sugar. The extra food is stored in the form of starch. This process of making food is called photosynthesis. Plants use this food for their growth. Plants give off oxygen when they make food. Leaves are generally green in color. This color is due to a green-colored pigment called chlorophyll. The flat and broad part of the leaf is called leaf blade. In the middle of the leaf is main vein, which carries water and prepared food. Many small veins branch from the main vein. Stalk holds the leaf to the stem. Leaves take in carbon dioxide present in the air from the tiny air holes called stomata. Stomata also gives out extra water. Flowers. There are the most beautiful part of the plant which smell good. Some of them are very colorful. Flowers turn into fruits. They help in the reproduction of plants. Fruits and seeds. Fruits have seeds in them. Some fruits like mango, lychee and peach, etc., have a single seed. While some fruits such as papaya, pea and brinjal, etc., have many seeds. Each seed can become a plant. The coming out of a plant from a seed in presence of water, air and warmth is called germination. Germination. The process by which a seed grows into a seedling is called germination. A seed needs air, water and sunlight to grow. Each seed has an embryo or a baby plant. The embryo consists of the radicle or young root and the plumule or the shoot and one or two cotyledons or seed leaves. When you soak a bean seed in the presence of air, warmth and put it in the soil, it started to germinate. The radicle grows downwards to form the root system and the plumule grows upwards to form the shoot system.